Hey folks, it's another day, another unboxing, and this is what happens when you're a tech journalist and OnePlus sends you a box. And we're going to open it because there is some great stuff in this box. Now, this is going to be an opening and unboxing in multiple parts. I'm going to show you the content of this box and I'm going to unbox each thing separately. All right, here we go, folks. Dun, 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 dun. Go beyond speed. Nice little raised piece. Dun, 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 dun. Never settle. First, we have a partition here with what looks like probably a reviewer's guide, is my guess. Yes, go beyond speed. Reviewer's guide. So here it is, OnePlus 7 Pro. Meet the OnePlus 7 Pro. Fluid AMOLED. Seamlessly smooth. Night mode 2. Pop-up camera. Isn't this fun? Design. Nebula blue. Mirror gray. Almond. Camera, a lens for every minute. Ultra clear camera. Ultra shot. Telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. A lens for every moment. Ultra wide angle lens, a lens for every moment. Wow. Performance, Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, up to 12 gigs of RAM, the power to win. Win what? We're not sure what we're winning, but I guess we're winning having a great phone. Faster screen unlock, dual stereo speakers. Warp charge 30, ready in 20. Gaming. Improved haptic vibration, 10-layer liquid cooling system, RAM boost, Oxygen OS. Did I skip one? Nope. Fast and smooth. And then screen recording, Zen mode. This is a new cool feature they're introducing. And then we've got Bullets Wireless 2, a same part of the same pack. Meet the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2. Free your music. Superior sound quality and design. Warp charge, convenient control, and specs. I'll let you pause on that and on that. And that, folks, is what is in this book. So there you have it, the reviewer's guide. Now, you've sat patiently through this. Here's the rest of it. Here's the OnePlus 7 Pro. Here are the Bullets Wireless 2. I will unbox these separately, so you're gonna have to wait. There is also a OnePlus car charger here. And so that I'm actually gonna unbox for you right now. Let's have a look. Oh, and you should stay tuned because there's more to this box. So there it is, the beautiful high-end Warp charger. Ooh, that's a heavy-duty one. It's heavy, it's metal, it's aluminum. USB Type A with Warp charging, 30 watt. And there's the car end for it. That's it. That's all there is in here. Pretty nice, isn't it? I do not think there's any... Ah, they included a cable. How nice. And so you have a warp charge cable here and a little manual, which is not maybe that little after all. And that's it, folks. That's what is in this box. Or is it? So this is actually really exciting. because there's way more to this box than it seems. Are you ready for it? Dun, 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 dun. Underneath here is a drawer that contains, ta-da, you guessed it, the 2 cases for the OnePlus 7 Pro. Nicely lined in felt, some sort of ruggedized plastic case, and a sandstone case, which does not have felt in it. So I guess this is kind of like the bulletproof version, and this is a lightweight case. So there you have it, folks. Everything that's in this massive box has been removed for your pleasure. And there you have it, the OnePlus 7 Pro and Bullets Wireless 2 media package unboxing. Stay tuned for the other 2 videos. I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus 7 Pro and the OnePlus Bullet Wireless 2. So stay tuned for that. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, tell your friends, and remember, folks, this is a compliment to the podcast, mobiletechpodcast.com. We're on all the major podcast platforms. If you want to hear my thoughts on this phone and these wireless earbuds, please tune into the show. I also want to thank our sponsor, ProXPN. ProXPN is a VPN for professionals like me. If you travel a lot like I do and you want security and privacy on the go, for all those open hotspots you might be connecting to, get a VPN and get ProXPN and get a great deal with ProXPN at 50% off in the description below. 50% off for professional grade VPN at ProXPN. Thanks for being our sponsors and stay tuned for more. Cheers, everybody.